No, really, you don't have to share the rest. Well, keep calling him. He can't just ignore you. You're having a child. Hang up and call him, okay? Talk to you. You have to call Martin. He still has more time than you think.
I think we should just stay out of that. That's Martin and Sandy's problem.
What are you doing? You're supposed to be vacuuming.
And by the way, you were there too, so you introduced him as much as I did.
No. I would never have picked Sandy up with a high school guy.
Hello?
In high school, she had sex with every guy she went out with. You never went out with Sandy. I mean, you knew her from class, but you never slept with her.
Right, I know.
She's been just a little too desperate to have guys like her. Know what I mean? I'm going to bed.
Are you vacuuming?
This take-home statistics test, I haven't finished it.
I'll set the alarm. I'll get you up early. You're getting this price with your Pampers Feeding Birds, the only training bag with a suspended wet
Jackson, say hi to Nanny. Wave hello to Nanny. Wave hello to your nannies and all your aunts and uncles.
How did you get in there? Those are not my kids. That was priceless.
Don't bang your head.
Not bad for a 6-year-old. All the prints turned out great. The only thing bad? The look on her face.
Develop digital prints on color paper at Walmart and Sears. Walmart stores and adoption. If you want to make your home feel noticeably fresh, take the Febreze 7-Day Challenge. First, put away those other freshening products. Then, for the next 7 days, make Febreze part of your skincare routine. Many of the surfaces in your home are soft surfaces that can hold on to odors. Febreze finds those odors and cleans them away as it dries. Take the Febreze 7-Day Challenge to eliminate odors and freshen fabrics. Guaranteed or your money back.
Don't slap at it now. You little pock monster. You little chicken pock monster.
Yeah, it's the right combination of specially selected potatoes and 100% pure sunflower. That's what I need that to be.
Hi. Run right into the camera, Nuggle.